Well, we were unable to get Camry this time around, but hey, still Toyota, but it's a Corolla, so it's kind of on that peasant life. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you guys another video, and right now, guys, I am heading to meet up with some subscribers with some cars, and that's pretty much all I know right now. And yes, guys, I am still here in Sacramento, California, and unfortunately, today is my last day, but at the same time, I'm kind of ready to get home and get back to business, get back to Bluetooth valve. And you know, Ramina and I have our apartment coming up. I get my garage soon. So there's a lot going on at home that I need to get back to, but I'm gonna make the best of my last day here. Like I said, I'm meeting up with some people and they have some nice cars. I met them yesterday at our little subscriber meet and greet that Alex SVT, Jacob Doty, and myself threw. So should be pretty fun. I'm hoping I'm able to film a couple of these fun runs if they're about it. Lone survivor mission by myself, unfortunately, but hey, we're gonna get through this, guys. I'm gonna bring you along with me, and drop your boy a like right now. Just do it, just drop the thumbs up. So I'm actually pulling up to our meeting spot right now. We got quite a few cars, I can see them from here. So you got a little lineup, how's everyone doing? These things are vicious all motor, man. Yeah, that thing sounds great, man. Very nice. I've always wanted one of these, dude. I love the C6s, man. We got this one. I know we did a little rating, my subscribers on this. So this one has the Roush blower on it, right? Yeah. And have you had this thing dynoed?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I really have like 3-4 months with it.
Oh, okay.
Got it from Ford like that, bass tune.
Do the smallest pulley with a nice old dyno tune. It'll wake it up. My buddy had the same setup. I think he was making like 650. And who owns this one? What's done to this?
Full bolt-on.
Okay. Nice. CJ setup. Let's see this thing, man. I wish mine had this stage before the boost just so I could experience it.
No, it's nice.
Are you happy with it? Would you do it over again?
Yeah.
Well, I know a lot of people, they give people shit. They go full bolt-on, E85, Cobra Jet, because with that kind of money that you have to put into it, they're like, oh, you might as well just put a Pro Charger or a Paxton, you know? But that's cool, though. I love all motor cars. I have a couple buddies back home. I'm not sure if you guys have seen the videos, but S550s, full bolt-on E85. It's just something about them. All motor cars is so fun. That's awesome, though. Very nice. And this one's yours. The one car I do want really bad.
I've been watching your videos. You're like, oh, I wish I would have got a Gen 3.
I want one so bad, man. Like, it's just the Velocity Blue.
And I didn't really know much about like the 10-speed automatic, but once it came out and everyone's like, oh, we're just doing 11s, like with the tire, it's like, bruh.
Are you like full bolt-on or anything, or
no,
just tuned?
Just E85.
Just tuned.
Well, technically, I got a Corsa X-pipe and a drop-in filter, but
I mean, okay, yeah.
My Catalyst long tube headers at home.
Oof.
And I already got my throttle body, and then I'm gonna order the Cobra Jet this week.
You're gonna run Cobra Jet setup, huh?
I ran with him. It gave him a good battle, so I was like, I wanted to race him with the vet, and we're just neck and neck. And then obviously I had a passenger, but just at the very end he just pulls on me. It's that weight, but yeah, I told him, I was like, I'm coming for you, not on some hater stuff, but just on some motivation.
Yeah,
like,
for sure.
You know, let's all get it.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, it's a beautiful car, dude. I wish I got one of these. I really do. So yeah, guys, we're waiting on one more dude with another Coyote, and then we're just gonna go hit the highway. It's probably a good thing we're waiting because traffic is a little sketchy right now. This is your Beamer over here?
Yes, sir.
Mind if we take a look at it?
335i twin turbo.
Okay.
Stage 2 turbo, stage 2 tune, full bolt-on, bigger intercooler, Catalyst downpipes.
Hey, you don't have to be like these Mustangs and Corvette dudes. You do your own thing, all right? Even though you're rocking a Ford shirt, you're all good. So what's done to it?
It's just blunt tune and intake.
Any intentions of going full bolt-on sometime?
I have my ported 18 manifold from Lethal Performance, but it's been like 2 months already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful looking car, though. You got the Recaros too, huh? Hell yeah, dude. Bang, bang. We got him right, guys. Cool deal. Got you, bro. Dang, check this thing out. Phew. This thing's looking right. Whatever you guys want to do.
Oh, y'all did, huh? I've only let a couple people drive my car. And I was kind of waiting.
Oh man, you want me to drive the car?
If you want though.
Shoot. What you think, vlog? Should I drive it? I think we should. I think we should drive. You want me to?
Yeah.
Do you honestly? All right. Well, let's drive this car. Let's do it. So you're gonna be filmer, man. We're gonna change roles real quick.
It's
so
good.
you're gonna get the camera, all right? There you go.
Look.
Sheesh, bueno. This is my S550 right here. Has a Roush blower on it, and I'm about to go drive it. For the first time, because I just bought it. Feels a little like home, you know?
A little bit.
Holy shit, who was asleep? Were you sleeping?
That's how I drive, bro.
No bullshit.
I'm so serious.
Oh my god. The clutch in these S550s are so freaking difficult. Is this stock? 550, yeah, sure. Is it actually? Whew, all right, just getting a little used to it. I look like a cyborg right now, so. Feels good, man, it's comfy. So are we about to like hop on a highway right now?
I believe so, yeah. We can go towards like downtown area, but...
Okay.
That's usually how it is around here, especially downtown.
Yeah. Oh, I think we're gonna get some vet on vet action.
S197, S550, 10 speed.
God. I know I want to, but we play with fire. Oh, what the f? Who's that? Little trip of Mexico is over. How'd it feel, man?
Felt good.
Was it a little nerve-wracking being in the passenger seat?
A little bit, yeah.
It's pretty quick.
Yeah.
You get that small pulley with a fresh tune, man. I think this car's gonna really surprise you, but it's pretty stout. It's a fun time, man. S550s, I tell you what. Thank you for that. It was the first Mustang I drove in California ever. So at least you can say that, right? Yeah. What, you got Instagram, you got YouTube, you got anything you want to plug?
Sgar_5.0. Follow it. YouTube.
So make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram, guys, and thank you again, bro. Appreciate that. That was a fun night. I wasn't expecting that outcome, and I really wasn't expecting to drive a boosted S550, and we got some races off. With that, guys, make sure you slap a like on this video. And you know, just drop a comment down below. Let me know what car was your favorite. But I am gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I have to pack. I have to leave at 4 a.m. back to the East Coast, 3,000 miles away, which sucks. But you know, it's fun. We're gonna come back. We're gonna do this again. And you know, just meeting more people all over the place, getting more connections. And next time around, it'll be even more fun because we know people now. Y'all take care. We will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. Do you know how the outro goes?
Hold on, let me think. Until next time, it's your boy Asgar_2. No, I got it again.
I mean,
How did it go?
it's still rolling. It's just hit him with a fat button. Until next time, we'll see you later. And then just get a little boom.
Until next time, we'll see y'all later. Check it out. All the videos is good.